Hi guys, I have a cool video today, and what you see here are two iPhones. These are both iPhone 4s. The black one is an 8 gig model and the white one is a 16 gig model. So I both got these off of eBay. The white one's mine, the black one's my sister's. The white one was $76 with like $5 shipping, so it was 80 something. I'll show that in a minute. And then a black iPhone, which was 112, that shipped from Vegas, but this one has a bad CMDA or something. ESN, the serial number, so you can't activate it. This one you can activate. So anyway, these are both the same phones. I like the white one because it's obviously white and has more storage, so 16, 8. Then my iPad over there, that needs a video of it sometime too, and that is a 16 gig black model, which I got more crap over there I need to get rid of. So, of course, they're both running iOS 6.1.3. However, I went to jailbreak the white one and I screwed up on that because it was already at 6.1.3, so it took a while for me to get it jailbroken. And the super camera was having battery issues. Anyway, so the start to it was... Oh, this sister just got a text message. That's what happens when girls have iPads, by the way. They sit there and they take pictures. It was cool though, that day. Presentations. But, so the iPhone I got was, like I said, there was no pictures with it, but it was $75 with $5.70 shipping. So the thing with this was apparently the guy took it into the Apple store. This guy was living by the Bay Area, and the camera on the back of it didn't work, or like the that's the flash, by the way. Cool little Cydia trick. But the flash would stay on the moment the thing got power, and Apple said it was water damaged. So what I had to do is had to take off the back cover and remove the plate right here, and then pull out the little camera assembly and wrap tape around it. Like how this guy did it. He took out 5 screws right there, and then where this is all gold, and you put 2 little pieces of electrical tape on it, so that way it fits back together. However, you won't be able to see it, but the camera's off a little bit to the left. So that was the problem with that one. And the black one was just the bad CMDA thing. And also, I didn't know if you guys saw in that picture, but my sister ended up making me buy a case for it, and then I bought a Mac Mini G4. I probably paid a little too much for it, $96, but it comes with the original box and everything. And then this was for someone else's phone, the 4S that they bought back in October, and they blew the speaker out of it. And then this iMac G5 that I just bought. However, I have an iSight one right there, but that thing's all broken. So, nothing too crazy about these. I personally think the black one is definitely a good color, but I like the white one a lot more. And I tended to notice that the white one seemed lighter between the two, although the same exact thing. So of course, nothing crazy. You got your camera, your flash reflective Apple logo, which I think the last time they had a reflective Apple logo like this on a computer was the iMac G4. Your lock button, microphone, your headphone, and then you have a little thing that alert, I don't know, your volume up, your volume down, and then another break in it. Down here you have 2 speaker grills and the 30-pin dock, and then this side nothing. And of course on the front you have an iSight camera, or not iSight, FaceTime camera, your little earpiece thing, and then right above it, which you can't see, is where the little light sensor is, which actually on the iPhone 5 is where the camera's at. And then obviously your home button. So, oh, my sister got a text message. But, so of course that's where the light sensor is. Nothing too crazy about the white, it's all the same. So going into it, mine is jailbroken, obviously. My sister's isn't. So the battery doesn't seem to last all that long between these two, which eventually I'll replace it. But of course, the first trick I like is the flash, which obviously is something on Cydia. Oops. Where you just double tap the lock button and it turns on. So I think it's cool, although it probably drains battery like crazy. It's just a nice thing to have. And then you go back to that. And then, of course, it's getting kind of slow these days. The iPad definitely is a lot faster, obviously because it has more memory and a bigger processor. The game performance isn't all that bad. So let's say we want to play some hill climb. And then, of course, oh, damn it, I don't have it unlocked on here. Because I copied the profile because the iPad had quite a bit done with it. My sister's has it though. Anyway, things seem to do pretty well with it. Like Draw Rider, it's another fun game. And then, of course, play game. And then, I don't know, whatever. See if I can do this one-handed. It's gonna be tough. Go, go, go. Alright, so it is possible. And then, because I really don't pay for self-service, although I could if I wanted to, I just don't want to because it's not all that big of a deal to me, is I have something called GV Connect and Talkatone, which use Google Voice together, and they sync pretty well. So I can go into Talkatone, and I'll just call this iPhone. So let's see. Find my sister. Then just call her number. I wonder if it'll work. So of course we're calling. See if it picks it up. Well, that sucked. Yeah, let's hang up then. Anyway, nothing too crazy. Maybe I'll do an overview video of this eventually, but not today. See you guys later, and I should have more videos of cool stuff later, like the G4 and the iMac G5. So talk to you guys later.